Did you know that a single amendment to a constitution can redefine governance and the rights of citizens? Today, we'll break down the 106th Amendment of the Indian Constitution in a way you'll easily understand. No jargon, just facts that matter to you. The Indian Constitution is not just a legal document, it is the backbone of our democracy. Amendments to it reflect the evolving needs of our society. The 106th Amendment is one such significant step, addressing crucial socio-economic issues. But what does it really mean? How does it impact you as a citizen? In this video, we'll explore its background, provisions, and the legal precedents that make it a landmark change. Here's what we'll cover in this video. First, the purpose and history behind the 106th Amendment. 2. The key changes it introduces to the Constitution. 3. Landmark case laws and judicial perspectives. 4. What to do if your rights under this amendment are violated. 5. Recent updates and practical implications. Now, let's delve into the details. The purpose of the 106th Amendment. Before understanding the amendment, let's look as to why it was introduced and what problems it aims to address. The 106th Amendment focuses on empowering marginalized communities, particularly ensuring equitable representation in key decision-making bodies. This amendment arose from the need to rectify systemic inequities, ensuring every citizen gets a voice in governance. It builds upon the foundational principles of justice, equality, and inclusivity enshrined in the Constitution. Key provisions of the 106th Amendment. Here's a closer look at the critical changes brought about by this amendment. First, enhanced representation. It mandates reserved seats for underrepresented groups in local governing bodies. 2. Accountability mechanisms. It introduces stricter guidelines to ensure fair elections and transparency in these bodies. 3. New rights framework. Expands rights for specific communities to promote social justice and equality. Let's explore how the judiciary has interpreted this amendment and its broader implications. First, Kesavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala reinforced that the amendments must uphold the basic structure of the Constitution. 2. Indra Sawhney vs. Union of India, a landmark case that contextualizes reservation in governance, laying the groundwork for the 106th Amendment. These cases highlight the judiciary's balanced approach to ensuring that amendments align with constitutional principles while addressing societal inequities. If you feel the amendment's provisions are not being upheld, here's what you can do. First, file a complaint. Approach your local authorities or the Election Commission if there is non-compliance. 2. Seek legal aid. Non-governmental organizations like the Human Rights Law Network or HRLN offer assistance. 3. Petition the court. If needed, you can file a public interest litigation or PIL to seek judicial intervention. Remember, your voice matters and there are mechanisms in place to ensure your rights are protected. Laws evolve, so do their interpretations. Let's look at the latest updates regarding this amendment. First, 2023 parliamentary discussions. The government emphasized the need for greater inclusion in local governance, showcasing the ongoing relevance of the 106th Amendment. 2. Judicial reviews. The Supreme Court's recent observation underlined the necessity of balancing representation with merit. These updates highlight how this amendment remains a topic of active discussion and development. Let's recap what we have discussed. First, the 106th Amendment enhances representation and accountability. 2. It upholds social justice by addressing systemic inequities. 3. Judicial interpretations provide clarity and context. 4. Mechanisms exist to protect your rights under this amendment. 5. Recent updates ensure it remains relevant to modern governance. The 106th Amendment isn't just a legal change, it's a step towards a more inclusive and equitable India. Stay informed, exercise your rights, and ensure that the spirit of this amendment is upheld in your community. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Indian law. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss out an update. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Take care. Bye.